Techno India University, education must become a force for diversity, equity, and inclusion.
It is with gratitude and humility that I accept this honor, with the promise that I will continue to celebrate the rich and unique diversity of our great country through its music.
You, young people, need to consider that you have had the opportunity of a wonderful education from Techno India, which very few children of India, of rural India, get. So you have to give back as citizens, given our country and our state.
Congratulations, class of 2025. You actually never know how close you might be to success. You may be more than halfway through when you decide to give up and turn back. A little more and you could have made it. So never quit. Now build your dreams and put your heart in achieving your dreams. Young friends, the world is yours for the taking. Go out and make your mark.
My dear students, in the year of 1984, I started with 5 rupees and I couldn't dream this day is possible. Today, it is possible for you.
Happy to see so many students here who performed. That was amazing.
Being a part of this prestigious university was like memorable journey it was, and I would recommend, if you want to enjoy college life, then please come to Techno, because this will give you immense of happiness, fun, and it is an event full of college, I must say, and we are proud too that we are the part of Techno.
টেকনো ইন্ডিয়া আমাদের অনেক কিছু শিখিয়েছে আর জীবনে হয়তো অনেক কিছু শেখারও।
আমাদের দেশের অনেক শিল্পী অবহেলিতভাবে পড়ে আছেন। আমি একটা দৃষ্টান্ত হয়ে রইলাম, তারা যেন একের পর এক স্বীকৃতি পান।
I see the sea of students in front of me. I don't see students. I see future of India and what you have given to this country.
The professors, the scholars, they were very helpful.
In our 5 years course, we have lots of problems, lots of funds. So our faculties and our friends are always there to support us.
I'm very happy to see the future of India in front of me.
And I wish them the very best in their new endeavors as they go into the real world.
On this historic 20th of August 2025, Techno India University proudly confers upon Asma Khan the Honorary Doctor of Letters in Culinary Anthropology, Cultural Preservation, and Women's Empowerment.
To the young graduates, please understand one thing. Your success is not your bank balance, the number of holidays you've taken, or your Instagram feed of all the fancy food you're eating. It is not that. Embrace a different kind of life. You can be powerful, you can be successful, you can be wealthy, but you can also use all of that to do some good.
All the best for an amazing future. You've got a brilliant foundation with a university like Techno, with a partnership that they have established with the likes of Google to propel you for an amazing next 20-25 years of your career.
The IBM TIU collaboration is a case study. The future is AI driven and TIU students are ready to lead this future.
Be patient and wait for the bright future. Work hard and hard.
Those who take their achievement certificate, I congratulate all the students. May God bless you.
টেকনো ইন্ডিয়াতে আসার পর আমি বলবো যে feels like home, my second home, I can say.
My best wishes and apologies for not being there physically to see you take flight.
If you have a scientific mindset and really want to pursue your research work, this is the station. Explore TIU, and I'm really grateful and thank you, and I'm really proud to be a student of Techno India University.
take one look around you. The person sitting next to you, the professors who scolded you, the family who waited outside exam halls, they are all part of this moment. You will all be bound together with them when you think fondly of your convocation day 10 years from now. Carry them with you wherever you go. One day, I hope you'll come back here, not just to be remembered as graduates, as proud graduates of Techno India University, but to be celebrated as change makers for your feats worldwide. That's when the story will come full circle, and I hope that day you remember a little bit of what I said on stage today.